Sure. Hey, now we know what the moon god looks like. There he is. There's in the room. Cool. Look, that's all Muslims ever say. What business of yours, your religion, was it to invade Spain? It had nothing to do with you, with your religion, but your religion attacked Spain for no reason, huh? You see, Habibi, you need to restudy your Quran. Go ask ISIS to educate you on your Quran. They know it better than you.
My friend, we don't believe violence, but we are a human. We but we believe in Islam in peace and respect and love, just to worship God. You know, that is what I received my Allah, creator of universe, to reveal to Prophet Muhammad this Quran book from God, and that is what I believe. But where come from the knowledge that today has? I send you that guy. His name was Muhammad, the father of the science and the mathematician. His name was Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. You have to understand that man. You know, without that man, you never get any computer. Without that man, we never had anything in this world. He was Muslim. He came from the Spain. You have to know that. Not from the Washington or London. His name was Muhammad ibn Musa al-Khwarizmi. His job was the algebra. You have heard that. Algebra. Without algebra, we couldn't do anything. And without algorithm, we couldn't find any computer. All the name is his name, his Arabic name. Just you call algebra, and you have the knowledgeable people, just you tell me. And the Muslim is the uneducated people. And then where come from? You holding the name, the same Muslim man he profound in his life, algebra. Algebra, Al-Hussein, Al-Asman. That is the only Arabic, not English language. You don't have Al-John, Al-Bush, Al-Trump. You don't have that. You see, so do you remember that knowledge come even from the Islam. This Islam religion is the only new religion and for all the people, not only for Muslims only. Mike free.
Can anybody hear me? Can I get a 1, 2? Awesome. Right. So, so to Jamie, I don't know if he's listening, but anyway, to Suleiman or Salman, I don't know how to pronounce it. Is it Salman or Salman or Serman? I don't know. You said you talked about what is his name? Al-Qawazami. Yeah, he was a great man, definitely. He made some great contributions to science, but it's still nowhere near the amount of contributions that the Western scientists did, who were atheists, Christians, Jews, right? The fact that Al-Qawazami was before them and the modern scientists used some of his concepts doesn't make him like anything really special, I would say. Because these concepts would have been discovered anyway later on, right? Especially in the Western society where free inquiry, the free market of idea operated for the past few centuries. It seems, on the other hand, an exception in the Muslim world that this research or this sort of ideology was allowed, right? Because we don't see this kind of progress being made consistently from the Muslim world. We only have a few occasions when this happened. And when this happened is when the Muslims conquered already existing cultures that were incredibly open-minded about scientific research.